Hello, children. Okay. A very good afternoon, children. Today we are doing character sketch. All the characters that we are learning today, because we have completed the syllabus, then we have to check each and every part of the story for details. Clear? Yes. All of you take your classworks. Take your classworks. Okay.
Anvita, mute disturbances coming from you.
Who is talking there?
Sir, Anvita, sir, disturbances coming.
Yes, sir.
Kahneman valid for 10 minutes.
Who is talking?
It's valid for 10 minutes.
Sir, tell everyone to mute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself, all of you.
Anvita, mute.
Mute yourself. Can you see the screen?
Sir, I can't mute myself, sir.
Yes, can you see the screen?
No, sir.
No?
Go back and come. No, sir. If we touch the screen, it's not coming. For mobile, if we touch the screen, it'll come, no.
See there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, coming, sir, now.
Yeah. Okay, first
Sir?
heading. Yes. Yes, ma. Tell
I
me.
have some internet problem in this laptop, sir. I can't see screen.
Okay. I
I'm
read.
attending in
When I read, you write. Okay?
Okay, sir.
For those students who cannot see, for them I read, you write by yourself. Yeah. First, characters in the secret garden. Keep the heading. All of you keep the heading. Characters in the secret garden. All the characters you're writing now. Okay. First one, Mary Lennox. Mary Lennox. Lennox. Mary. Mary. Lennox. 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 One of the novel's two protagonists. One of the novels. Yes, ma.
Sir, I
Your voice is breaking. Say loudly.
Sir, we should write.
Yeah, write this. For one of the novels too, up to by Colin. Write on.
Sir, once again, can you repeat?
Mary Lennox, one of the novel's two protagonists. Protagonist means hero or heroine, leading character. One of the novels, two protagonists, comma. Mary Lennox is a 10-year-old girl. Mary Lennox is a 10-year-old girl.
So, which page?
Not from the novel. We have completed the syllabus from the novel. We are talking characters list in the secret garden. Right. First heading.
Sir, where should we write, sir?
Write in the classwork.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. One of the novel's two protagonists, Mary Lennox, is a 10-year-old girl.
Sir, can you zoom?
You can't. Yes. Is that fine? Okay. One of the novel's two protagonists, Mary Lennox, is a 10-year-old girl who, after the death of her parents in India, is sent to live with her uncle in Yorkshire, England. Write on up to by Colin. These 4 lines you have to write.
What, sir? Sir, we should write in notebook as well.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Make it fast.
Which up to what we should write, sir?
Displaced
Total
by
paragraph.
Colin.
The total paragraph.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very important character. Write on.
Okay, sir.
Mahalakshmi, are you writing? Mahalakshmi,
What, sir?
can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write on. One of the novel's two protagonists, Mary Lennox, is a 10-year-old girl who, after the death of her parents in India, is sent to live with her uncle in Yorkshire, England. Okay. Mary changes drastically over the course of the secret garden. She evolves from a spoiled, unloved, and unloving creature to a girl who is full of spirit and surrounded by friends. Full stop. She begins the book as its a central character, but is later displaced by Colin. Okay, who is the another protagonist?
Sir?
Who is the another protagonist of the story?
Sir, Colin.
Yeah, first protagonist is the Mary Lennox. Another protagonist is Colin.
Colin.
Yeah. Did you write? Next.
Sir, after this you will show video, sir.
Yeah, definitely. After finishing this, I will show a video.
Sir, will you show from first onwards?
Yeah, from the beginning. How many of you have watched? Hello, children. How many of you have watched The Secret Garden?
Sir, I did not watch that.
Yes, yes. Very good students. You won't watch, I know. Finish? Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Do it
sir.
fast. Do
Last
it
two
fast.
lines, sir.
Right.
Finish, sir.
Can you do some?
Yes?
Sir,
Yes, ma.
finished, sir.
Finish? Trishika?
Last time meeting.
Yeah.
Finished, sir.
Sir, finish, sir.
Okay, good. Displaced by Colin. Okay. Next, Colin Craven. Okay, Malakshmi, afterwards you write. Okay. Next, give 2 lines gap. Malakshmi. In the evening time, you can write. Okay. Next. Second one, Colin Craven. Right. Colin.
Sir,
Yes, ma.
sir, we should write about all the characters, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Colin Craven.
Sir, total, sir.
No need total. Up to where I say up to there only how to write. Colin
Up to
Craven.
where, sir? Up to where,
The other of the novel's protagonist, Colin Craven, is Archibald Craven's 10-year-old son and heir. He was born shortly after the death of his mother, and his father could not bear to look at him because of his resemblance to her. Okay, up to his birth, you write. His birth.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Only this.
Sir, up to we should write up to birth.
Birth, up to here. Yeah. Make it fast. The other of the novel's protagonists, Colin Craven, is Archibald Craven's 10-year-old son and heir. He was born shortly after the death of his mother, and his father could not bear to look at him because of his resemblance to her. It is feared that he will grow to be a hunchback like his father, and he has been treated as an invalid since his birth. Up to there only you have to write, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Colin's childhood has been entirely bedridden, and his servants have been commanded to obey his every whim. As a result, Colin is extremely imperious and gloomy. When we first meet him, he is certain he is going to die. By novel's end, however, he too will have undergone a transformation. He will have become a vigorous optimist and will have won his father's love. Both his and Mary's conversations are affected by the magical properties inherent in the secret garden. Okay, up to birth only you write, okay?
Up to where, sir?
Up to birth. Up to here.
Okay, sir.
Birth. B-I-R-T-H. Only 4 lines, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next.
Daddy, PAN card. Na mobile didn't.
Somebody is talking. Don't talk. Finish. Write neatly. Mahalakshmi, are you writing? Mahalakshmi,
Yes, sir.
write down.
Sir, for me, internet is not there. That's why it's on top.
Sir, finish, sir.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
Write
sir.
soon. Write soon.
Sir, still about who you will tell to write, sir.
Okay. Afterwards, I'll ask you to write about Dickens Sorbet. Those are completed. Write about Dickens.
Sir, Dickens Sorbet is another character and Mrs. Sorbet is another character, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you send these pics in MCB?
You can take snapshot, no?
Yes, you can take screenshot.
Yeah. Dickens is alternately described as a common moor boy and a Yorkshire angel. He is both 2 years older than Colin and Mary. Dickens has lived on Missile Moor his entire life and has a uniquely intimate relationship with the land. He is described as looking like the god Pan, the god of nature. He has rosy cheeks.
That means among all the children who came to Misselmate Planet, he was the only child to live so much time. Sir.
Yeah, right up to here only. Looking like the god Pan.
Where, sir?
Third line. Looking like the god Pan. Okay.
Looking, yes, sir.
Looking like the god Pan, and he is a nature-like person. I told you last time.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I didn't have the device, sir. And here I found the device.
Your voice is trucking. Finish.
Sir, up to God Pana, sir.
Okay, slowly you write. Okay. Still have ample of time. Right. Slowly write.
Sir, we should write up to God Pan.
Yeah, up to god Pan.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what we should write, sir?
From Dickens to god Pan.
In which para, sir?
Dickens Overbay.
You came now only, Sinika.
Yeah. Deacon to?
Here Deccan is there, no sir is showing on screen.
Only 3 lines you write. Okay, 3 lines you write. That's
Deacon
better.
to God and
Yeah.
God. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, ma. Yeah. Yes. Srinika, are you writing?
Sir, can
Only 3 lines. Did you complete it?
No, sir.
Do it. Do it slowly.
Finish, sir.
Yes.
Finish, sir.
Sir, now only I started last line, sir.
Make it fast. Finish.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Have you
Sir,
finished?
last line, sir, last line.
Yes.
Sir,
Looking like the god Pan. So you may get a bit in the exam. Who is god Pan?
Deccan.
Who looks like the god Pan? Dickens.
Dickens or Bay?
Yeah. Okay. Who has an intimate relationship with the land?
Dickens Orbe.
Yeah, Dickens Orbe. Who is the brother of Martha?
Deacon.
Dickens Orbe. Okay.
So finished, sir.
Yeah. Next. Martha Sowerby. Next one. You know Martha, right? Martha
Sir,
Sowerby.
what is Martha's mother name?
Yes, ma. Can you repeat?
Sir, what is Martha's mother name?
Martha's mother name is okay. Mrs. Sowerby.
Sir, can you show Dickens or the last line, sir?
Yes, ma. Suzanne Sowerby is the mother of Martha. Okay. So write down this.
Sir, can you show that Dickens or the last line?
Like the god of Pan. Okay.
Sir, we should write Martha Sowerby, sir.
Yeah, right. Martha Sowerby.
Sir, do a little bit down, sir.
Sir, up to where?
Total we should write Martha
No
Sowerby.
need. No need. Have you written the up to the god Pan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What I do? Yeah. Now you write Mary's friend and maid servant. Martha is distinguished by her charming frankness and level-headed approach to all aspects of life. Her simplicity and kindness are a great help to Mary upon the latter's arrival at Misselwaite. In her very ordinariness, Martha respects the goodness of all the people of Yorkshire. Okay, not necessarily all those things. You write Mary's friend and a maid servant. Martha is distinguished by her charming. Up to here only you write.
Sir, Martha Sowerby total paragraph, sir.
Only these two.
Only. Okay, sir.
Life. Sir, up
Aspects
to
of,
life.
yeah, aspects of life only you write. Finish.
No, sir. Finished, sir.
And others? What about the
Sir,
others?
finished, sir.
Next, Ben Weatherstaff. Ben Weatherstaff is a gruff elderly gardener who
Sir,
is
can you show
only
last
permitted
line?
to stay at Misselwaite.
Sir, time is 12:30, sir. When you will show video, sir?
So today it's not possible. Tomorrow I'll show you. Okay.
Sir, can you a little bit up? My
To where
Martha
we
and
should write, sir?
Dickens.
Then
Martha. You write Mary.
Sir,
Sorry.
Martha, can you show once?
It is there, no? Martha. Ben Weatherstaff. Ben Weatherstaff is a gruff elderly gardener. Okay, elderly gardener who introduces Mary to the robin redbreast. Who introduces Mary to the robin redbreast and helps the children keep the secret of the garden. And helps the children keep the secret of the garden.
Sir, up to garden.
Yeah. Is the favorite gardener for Mr. Scraven. Remember this. Who is the, I will be asking a question. Who is the favorite gardener of the late Mr. Scraven? Late means a person who has passed away. For them you keep words late. Remember.
Sir, now we should write Ben Weather stuff.
Yeah, right. Ben Weather stuff.
And where, sir?
Only up to Craven. Sorry, up to garden.
The secret of the garden.
Yeah. Because these characters are very important when you're reading the novel personally in holidays. Clear? Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma.
sir, before that, what you told, sir, my meeting was disconnected.
Okay, you continue. Write the character of Ben Weather stuff.
Total, sir.
No need. Up to garden you write.
To garden.
Sir, finished.
Yes. Okay, good. Next.
Archibald Craven.
Next, Archibald Craven. The master of Misselwit Manor. Write only
Up
this.
to where we should write, you tell, sir.
The master where's the full stop? The master of the Misselwit Manor, who suffers from a crooked spine and general ill health. He has been in a crushing depression ever since the death of his wife 10 years before the novel begins. Up to here. Yeah. Finish?
No, sir, not finished.
Hmm. The master of Mislet Manor, who suffers from a crooked spine and a general ill health. He has been in a crushing depression ever since the death of his wife 10 years before the novel begins. Okay.
Sir, finished.
He has been in depression ever since the death of his wife. Who has been in crushing depression ever since the death of his wife?
Archibald Craven.
Archibald Craven.
Yeah, Archibald Craven. B-A-L-D, Bald, Archibald Craven. Remember, spelling. And
Sir,
also,
next what we
all
should
the
write?
meanings which are there in the course book, how to learn for exam, don't forget it. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. And also, all the answers I have given it to you. Course book. Did you get? Or any other student those did not get?
Sir, I didn't get.
I have sent you in the WhatsApp, no?
Sir, I did not get.
Okay.
Sir, I did not get.
You
Sir,
forward,
send in MCB.
you forward your numbers. Okay. Next. Lilias Craven. Lilias Craven.
Sir, we should write total.
No need. First line you write.
Sir, only 3 minutes, sir. We can't
Only
get,
first line,
Lilias
sir.
Craven.
Only first line.
Sir, time will not be enough, sir.
Only up to here only you write.
Sir, we will take screenshot.
Yeah. Lilias
Sir, I
Craven.
will write, sir, and not take screenshot.
Archibald's late wife, who died 10 years before the outset of the novel. Her spirit is associated with both roses and the secret garden. Her spirit is associated with both roses and the secret garden. Her portrait hangs in her son's room beneath a rose-colored curtain, and she is described by all who knew her as the gentlest, sweetest, the most beautiful woman. She represents an absent ideal. Very beautiful lady. Very beautiful lady. That was the main reason. Okay, her photo was covered beneath a rose-colored curtain. Remember this, Hitansh.
Sir, finished, sir. I wrote
Yeah.
Craven.
Tomorrow you write Susan Dorbey.
Sir, finish, sir.
Susan Sowerby is the mother of Martha. Okay, Miss Medlock, the head of the servants at the Misselwit Manor. The remaining things you will write tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, who is
Who is?
Dr. Craven? Dr. Craven is there here. Dr. Craven.
Archibald's brother and Colin's uncle.
Sir,
Yes, ma.
sir, when you'll show videos, sir, of the lesson?
Okay.
Sir, only 2 days is left, sir. After the holidays are there. 50
Yes,
days.
sir.
Yeah, definitely. I will try tomorrow, okay? After finishing these 3, we'll see. Okay?
Sir, can you add me in group?
Yeah.
Sir, I will send you some numbers, sir. Will you add those people in group, sir, in English group?
Yeah. So whatever I share to you, you must pass it on to everybody. Okay?
Sir, they're asking that to add in group, sir. So I'll send you some numbers to add those people in group, sir.
Okay, ma. Only that group is only for time being. After the exams, I'm going to delete it. Okay? Don't send any message to it. Okay? Only important information regarding exam timetable or anything.
No,
Yeah.
sir, we will not use that group. We will, since you send in group, sir, we will
Yeah.
not use that group.
So,
You can change it, like only admins can keep the messages, sir.
yes. Anyhow, nobody is sending. Good. Okay.